Imagine if learning business felt simple, powerful, and actually actionable. Today, most people are confused. Too much information, too many opinions, but no clear direction on how to actually start and grow a business. That's where Flowgrip comes in. Flowgrip is your smart guide to understanding business, money, and growth, step by step. At Flowgrip, we break down complex business concepts into simple, powerful ideas like what is business, how money really works, how to start from zero, and how to grow step by step. No confusion, no theory overload, just clear, practical knowledge. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or someone who wants to build something big, Flowgrip helps you think like an entrepreneur. Short videos, simple explanations, real-world insights, all designed to give you clarity and confidence. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and build your future, subscribe to Flowgrip and start your journey today.